In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the sales order to sales invoice in a very simple way. On 19 January, it says send all items to Mr. Albert against previous sales order. And order number is 25. Now we will just see a simplest method of converting the sales order to sales invoice. What we need to do is just click on the sales on the left hand corner and click on sales order. Just remember to go in this sales section and click on sales order, and it will land you to this area where all the pending orders are here. So order number is 25. This is what I want to convert. And under the actions next to it is this arrow sign. I'll just click this and it says convert to invoice. I'll just click. And as you can see, invoice is created right away. So click on view. And since this was all order should be converted, it automatically saved the invoice altogether. If we refresh this and go against to the sales order, you will see that the payment status is invoiced and order status open. Fulfillment status is still pending fulfillment. So that's how we convert the sales order to sales invoice. It's very simple to do. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.